When you're ready to upsize and start looking for a bigger home, it's tempting to jump straight into browsing listings, but that's the fastest way to get completely overwhelmed. So there are 5 things every upsizing family should do before they start house shopping. And these steps will save you time, money, and a lot of unneeded stress. So I'm Carrie Ann Kilpatrick with Let's Be Realty Girl, and let's just go ahead and dive into this. So the first thing, step 1, is know your monthly comfort zone. Don't start with the home price. Start with your monthly number. Ask yourself things like this. What monthly payment feels comfortable for our family? Include things like mortgage, taxes, insurance, HOA and CDDs if you have those. Make sure to calculate those in. And once you know your comfortable payment, we can reverse engineer your price range. And that's the easiest way to do this. So step 2 is to get pre-approved, but please do it the right way. This is where upsizing families get stuck. A pre-approval isn't just a green light. It is your actual buying power. So make sure you choose a local lender, understand your real numbers, review your credit, and confirm what your new payment will be. Ask about rate options and buy down. Sometimes those are really good things to use in order to get this process started. So this step protects you from falling in love with a home you can't comfortably afford. Step 3, evaluate your current home's equity. And that kind of goes back to what we were saying. How much equity do you have? What could your home realistically sell for right now? How fast would it move in today's market? Your equity may dramatically change things like your down payment, your ability to buy first, your monthly payment, and your overall final budget. This is where a home value snapshot helps tremendously. So step 4, clarify your non-negotiables. Have those written down. Before you start scrolling through listings, make sure you know your must-haves versus your nice-to-haves. For upsizing families, common non-negotiables would include things like specific school zones, commute times to work, number of bedrooms, second living space, yard size, no funky floor plans, and plenty of storage space. So knowing these up front keeps you from getting distracted. We call it lipstick on a pig. So step number 5 is understanding the costs of upsizing. A bigger home does come with bigger expenses. So it's essential to understand things like insurance, utilities, again, those CDD and HOA fees, furnishings, taxes, and maintenance on a larger home. If you know these ahead of time, the process feels much more predictable. Once you complete these 5 steps, you're ready for calm, confident, and exciting upsizing journey. You can grab my free buyer checklist and real cost of buying a home right below. You can find that information right there. So I'm Carrie Ann Kilpatrick with Let's Be Realty Girl, helping families make sweet, confident moves across Northeast Florida.